Have you ever wished you could read minds? Imagine the power and insight you would gain if you could understand what someone is thinking, even before they say a single word. It's a fascinating idea, isn't it? Imagine knowing what someone truly thinks, even before they utter a word. The ability to decode the unspoken thoughts and feelings of those around us would be like having a superpower. While telepathy might be a stretch for now, understanding the fundamentals of psychology can get us pretty close. By diving into the world of human behavior and mental processes, we can start to see the patterns and signals that reveal so much about a person's inner world. Just like a magician reveals the secrets behind an illusion. Think Like a Psychologist by Patrick King unveils the hidden mechanisms of the human mind. This book is like a key that unlocks the door to understanding why people act the way they do. This book isn't about analyzing ink blots or delving into obscure Freudian theories. Instead, it offers practical insights and tools that you can use in everyday life to better understand and connect with the people around you. It's a practical guide to understanding the people around us, your chatty coworker, your quiet neighbor, even your mother-in-law. By learning to read the subtle cues and signals that people give off, you can navigate social interactions with greater ease and confidence. Remember that time your friend said she loved your new haircut, but her face looked like she just tasted sour milk? Those mixed signals can be confusing, but with the right knowledge you can learn to interpret them accurately. Yeah, we've all been there. It's those moments of social awkwardness that make us wish we had a better understanding of what others are really thinking and feeling. This book helps us decode those mixed signals and understand the real story behind people's words and actions. By learning to read body language, facial expressions, and other nonverbal cues, you can gain a deeper understanding of the people around you. Get ready to unlock the secrets of human behavior and navigate the complex world of relationships with newfound confidence. With the insights from this book, you'll be better equipped to handle social situations and build stronger connections. Trust me, your brain will thank you for it. The knowledge you gain will not only improve your interactions, but also enrich your understanding of the human experience. We often rely on spoken words to understand each other. We listen to the tone, the choice of words, and the way sentences are structured. But is that enough? But what happens when those words don't align with the speaker's true feelings? When the spoken message contradicts the unspoken emotions? What if they say they're fine but their voice cracks with unspoken emotion? Or their eyes betray a sadness that words can't cover? Here's the thing, our bodies are masters at betraying our true emotions. A forced smile, a nervous fidget, a tapping foot, these are all signs that something deeper is going on. A fleeting glance, avoiding eye contact, or looking away quickly. These nonverbal cues can reveal more than we intend. They are the whispers of our true feelings. Think. Like a Psychologist dives deep into the world of body language, teaching us to recognize these subtle tells. It's like learning a new language, one that is spoken without words. From the way someone stands to the direction they point their feet, every gesture paints a picture of their inner world. Posture, stance, and even the smallest movements can speak volumes. Hand gestures, facial expressions, and body movements, every gesture paints a picture of their inner world. These are the silent signals that convey our true thoughts and feelings. Imagine you're at a job interview. The stakes are high and you want to make the best impression possible. You've prepared meticulously and answered every question with confidence. Your words are perfect, but is that enough? But your leg bounces nervously under the table, betraying your inner anxiety. Your body is sending signals that your words are not. The interviewer, adept at reading body language, picks up on your unease. They see beyond your words to the nervousness you're trying to hide. This book helps us avoid these pitfalls by making us aware of our own nonverbal communication and teaching us to accurately interpret the silent signals of others. By understanding body language, we can communicate more effectively and authentically. Nonverbal communication isn't just about spotting a liar or acing a job interview, it's the foundation of all human interaction. Think about it. A warm smile, a comforting touch, a look of genuine interest. These nonverbal cues form the bedrock of our relationships. Think, Like a Psychologist breaks down the nuances of nonverbal communication, from facial expressions and gestures to posture and personal space. Did you know that raised eyebrows can signal surprise or skepticism? Or that crossed arms often indicate defensiveness? Understanding these cues allows us to navigate social situations with greater awareness and empathy. It's like having a secret decoder ring that unlocks the hidden meanings behind everyday interactions. By mastering the art of nonverbal communication, We can build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and even become more persuasive communicators. Ever wonder why some people can effortlessly navigate social situations, making friends and connections with ease, while others struggle to read the room feeling lost and out of place? The answer lies in emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and those of others. It's a skill that can transform our interactions and relationships. Think. Like a Psychologist emphasizes the importance of emotional intelligence in building meaningful connections. It shows us how to be more empathetic and understanding. It's not just about being nice or avoiding conflict. It's about truly connecting with others on a deeper level. It's about recognizing and validating our own emotions and those of the people around us. This awareness can lead to more meaningful and supportive relationships. Imagine you're comforting a friend who's going through a tough time. Your ability to empathize and understand their feelings can make a world of difference. Instead of offering unsolicited advice or minimizing their feelings, you listen attentively, showing that you truly care. You validate their emotions, offering a shoulder to cry on and a safe space for them to express themselves. That's emotional intelligence in action. It's about being present and supportive in the moments that matter most. The book provides practical tips for developing our emotional intelligence, from practicing empathy and active listening to being more aware of our own emotional states. It also teaches us how to regulate our own emotions in stressful situations, helping us to remain calm and composed. By mastering these skills, we can improve our relationships and lead more fulfilling lives. Section 5. The Puppet Masters, Unraveling the Mysteries of Motivation. What drives our actions? Why do we crave certain experiences, avoid others, and make the choices we do? Think. Like a Psychologist delves into the complex world of motivation, exploring the forces that shape our desires and behaviors. From basic needs like hunger and thirst, to more complex desires like love, belonging, and self-actualization, the book unravels the intricate tapestry of human motivation. Understanding these underlying motivations can be incredibly powerful. It allows us to see beyond surface-level behaviors and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. Imagine you're struggling to understand a coworker's constant need for validation. By delving into their motivations, you might discover a deep-seated fear of failure stemming from a critical upbringing. This understanding allows you to approach them with greater empathy and compassion. Section 6. Echoes of the Past. How childhood experiences shape our adult selves. Our childhood experiences, both positive and negative, play a profound role in shaping who we become as adults. Think Like a Psychologist explores the lasting impact of our early years, highlighting how our upbringing influences our attachment styles, coping mechanisms, and even our romantic relationships. For example, a child who grew up in a chaotic or unpredictable environment might develop anxiety or a need for control in adulthood. On the other hand, a child raised in a loving and supportive home is more likely to develop secure attachments and healthy coping mechanisms. By understanding the link between our past and present, we can begin to heal old wounds, challenge negative thought patterns, and create a more fulfilling future. Section 7. Practical Applications, Decoding Everyday Interactions. Think Like a Psychologist isn't just a theoretical exploration of the human mind. It's a practical guide filled with real-world examples and actionable advice that we can apply to our everyday lives. The book provides insights into a wide range of situations, from navigating difficult conversations to building stronger relationships. Learn how to decode your boss's cryptic emails, understand your partner's emotional triggers, and even get your kids to eat their vegetables. Well, maybe. By applying the principles outlined in the book, we can improve our communication skills, build stronger relationships, and gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the people around us. Section 8. Think Like a Psychologist, Live Like a Mind Reader. Imagine navigating the world with the confidence of a mind reader, effortlessly decoding social cues, understanding hidden motivations, and building meaningful connections. While we might not all become Sherlock Holmes overnight, Think Like a Psychologist provides us with the tools and insights to better understand the human experience. This book encourages us to approach every interaction with curiosity and empathy, to look beyond surface-level behaviors, and to seek understanding rather than judgment. By embracing the principles of psychology, we can transform our relationships, improve our communication, and ultimately live more fulfilling lives. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to mastering the human psyche. Think Like a Psychologist isn't just a book, it's a journey of self-discovery and a roadmap to understanding the intricacies of the human mind. By embracing the principles outlined in this book, we embark on a path to unlock the secrets of human behavior, improve our relationships, and navigate the complexities of the human experience with greater confidence and compassion. So, are you ready to step inside the fascinating world of psychology and unlock the secrets of the human mind? Your journey